Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at how to prepare our number blocks for polyurethane and screen printing. Right now we have our number blocks all sanded, they're all cut. We have 42 of them, and we have all of them sanded so that they're smooth and don't have any slivers or splinters on the sides. And what we're going to do is prepare them in order to put our polyurethane coat over the top, which is the shiny coating that you see on here. It also helps protect the wood. It also gives us a nice smooth surface in order to screen print our numbers, which is going to be one of the next things that we're going to be doing. You can see I'm wearing my safety glasses, and the reason that I'm doing that, even though I'm working with tape and not any tools today, is there are other people in the classroom that are working with tools, and while other people are working with tools and machines, I still have to have my safety glasses on. So let me adjust the camera, and we're going to get to work for today on our number blocks. Okay, with my number blocks, I'm going to take and I'm going to have these all set up, and I want to have 7 in a row because there are 7 days in a week. I'm going to line them up so they are perfectly straight. And if there is a difference between a good side and a bad side, like for example, I would call this the good side because this has a bad mark that's on it right here. Okay, bad mark here, that looks pretty good. I want the good sides down towards the table. I'm going to line these up so they are perfectly straight, corner to corner, edge to edge, going all the way across. And make sure that there's 7 in a row. Next, I'm going to take some masking tape. I'm going to put it across the backs of all of my boards. And I'm going to leave this tail a little long. This way I can take and fold this over, and this is going to help me when we polyurethane and screen print. I can use this kind of like a handle to hold 7 blocks at the same time. Now, in order to make the tape stick, make sure you rub over the top of the tape that's on the back. And the other thing you want to make sure is that your top edge and your bottom edge are perfectly straight as you're taping these together. Once you have these taped together, you can put them inside your calendar. And they should slide in here nice and freely, and they should not get hung up at all. So this is a good place to store our calendars before we put them back in the bags. We want to make sure that you have 6 rows, and in each row you need to have 7 strips in each row. Okay, now notice my tape tails, they're hanging off here quite a bit. We want pretty long tape tails on here for when we are polyurethane and screen printing. A good indicator is have them kind of as wide as your hand is wide. Okay, that's how long we want the tails on the end of ours. Once you have this done, you are ready to move on to our next step, which is going to be for polyurethaning. Congratulations, nice job.